Hey guys, it is a really hot day, hot evening. It's been a hot day, but a hot evening, and I am trying to capture some of the heat lightning in the background. So just kind of on our quest for food, love, and sunshine. Sunshine can also, whoa, that can also involve some really cool light. I know it's not exactly sunshine, but oh my God, that's incredible. Just outside here capturing this. Hope you guys are able to stay cool and hydrated. It's happening quite often too. Oh my gosh. It's like a camera flash. Whoa. They're happening even more frequently now. Totally epic. And how I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes here. Hope you guys are having a great summer, and I'll try to post up some more videos soon. Peace.